Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. So today I'm making very delicious and tempting recipe Meethi Puri. If you have all the sauces in your fridge, you will whip it up in a couple of seconds for your iftar. You can have it as a side after Ramadan or you can serve it as appetizer. This is for sure a crowd pleaser and that's my favorite chaat recipe. So let's go and make it happen. So first take a golgappe or a puri and just break the center part and arrange it on a serving platter. Then I pre-boil some very small cube potatoes with the salt. So I have those potatoes and then I'll be adding some chickpeas and I just mush them with my hand and stuff each puri with this potato and chickpea mixture. And then I'll be adding some whipped sweet yogurt. You can add in each puri or you can drizzle the yogurt on top to make it more presentable and to make it more delicious. Then I'll be adding my imli and sotki chutney in each puri, or you can do the same which we like we did with the yogurt. Just drizzle on top, and then I'll be topping off with some aloo bhujia, seo puri, whatever you guys call it, some delicious crispy seo, and sprinkle all around, or you can fill each puri. Then sprinkle some chaat masala, and your Meethi Puri is ready to serve. It's delicious, it's tempting, it's perfect for iftar, it's perfect for the parties. Whenever I serve it at the party, I get very good remarks on it. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.